When first I left old England, sure such yarns as we were told, as how folks in Australia could pick up lumps of gold. So when we got to Melbourne town, we were ready soon to slip and get even with the captain and scuttle from the ship. With his swag upon me shoulder, Black Billy in me hand, I travel the bush of Australia like a true born native man.
Well, welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. Just out doing some detecting here while the weather's kind of not raining. Yeah, so just out that same spot where I found those specimens and conglomerates. So yeah, just real thick scrub here, eh? And kind of finding it hard to swing the coil, but I got the 6000. We'll see what I can do. Obviously the 6000 can get more depth than the 2300, so it'll punch through this moss a bit better. So we'll have a swing, see what we can find. Well, g'day guys. Not having a lot of luck today. Just been going for about an hour, and I've just been digging up lead and rubbish and yeah, just all sorts of stuff. It's getting pretty tiring going smashing through this bush. But anyway, I've got this target and it's still in the hole, so that's why I wanted to film it, because it could be a higher chance of being gold. So hopefully you can hear that through the headphones. I'll see if I can dig it up for you. Get me, it's around about here somewhere, and of course it's picking up the camera again. Ooh, that sounded alright. Usually that means it's I don't know, lead sounds like that too. Even this seems to be the smallest bit of lead puts off a bit of a noise, a signal that loud. Anyway, we'll try and find it. It must be behind here. Yeah, it's my camera. I really need to get another tripod, I think. Yeah, that's picking up the camera. So she's still in the hole. Now, I'll do a jump cut to when I've got it. Sorry guys. Alright, so just had this cheeky little signal on the side of this mully keep here. It's gone down pretty deep, probably 6 inches or so. And again, just a nice little flake in this conglomerate. So that's the sort of signal that I was getting through the headphones. Yeah, a nice little specimen, or conglomerate rather. So cheers guys. Okay, so it's definitely on the coil now, and it's a bit of gold. Again, it's locked up in some conglomerate. I might give it a bit of a rinse. So here we are. Nice bit of gold locked up in conglomerate, and I just dropped it. No, there it is. Good thing is, if you drop it, you have a metal detector to find it again. Oh, very good. No worries. Well, this might be the only footage I've got at the moment for today's outing. It's just going to be a quick swing after work, and pretty well had it. Just hiking and smashing through the bush. So anyway, this is Ful-O Gold. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't be scared to leave a comment what you think, and any ideas of future content and whatever. But the 6,000 is definitely paying off for me. Alright guys, take care. We'll see you next time. Ful-O Gold out.
When first I left old England, sure such yarns as we were told, as how folks in Australia could pick up lumps of gold. So when we got to Melbourne town, we were ready soon to slip and get even with the captain and scuttle from the ship. With his flag upon me shoulder, Black Billy in me hand, I travel the bush of Australia like a true born native man.